Does LetShare still pay in 2025? Does LetShare still pay in May 2025? I know April have almost finished, so let's just say May. LetShare still pays. As you all know that it's been a while I created platform videos about all this WhatsApp to earn platform. So LetShare still pays, and I will show you guys how I made a withdrawal yesterday and I received it this morning. It was late yesterday, so I received it this morning. Okay, so I pressed a withdrawal of 3,000 naira from LetShare, which is 3,300 naira. I shall know that 300 naira is charges and the 3,000 is what you get. I got my the 3,000 naira from the people I invited onto LetShare. To those that joined, kudos. Thank you for joining. So I shall see that a lot joined, but not a lot of people did place withdrawals. But some of them did place withdrawals along the time I have not been checking LetShare. So it's all accumulated to 3,000 naira when I got everything. All right, so I'm you guys know how to place withdrawal normally. All right, so let me just share you the withdrawal details. See, you can see it already arrived, and if you want to see the more depths, see it already dropped on OP. Okay, so LetShare still pays in 2025, and if you are yet to join, the link is in the description. It's just a simple platform. Connect your WhatsApp, you'll be earning money daily. I think they have not brought back spin to win, and that thing when they removed it pained me a lot because that was the best thing about their site, but they have removed it. Okay, so it's not back up to now, and I guess they're not bringing it anytime soon. So just forget your mind on spin of win. Just connect your WhatsApp account and make money with it. That is all. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we open new content like this. Our WhatsApp group is in the description box. You can join it. All right, I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye.